What the fuck was that?
Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. It's again Alex and
Brie.
And this little booger right here. Got little socks right here.
Alrighty guys. So we're gonna do a little haul. Yeah, he's excited. Yeah, he's excited. We went to Walmart today, guys, and we bought this little boy.
Hey, socks.
More
Sit.
treats because
Sit.
stuff is running
Sit.
out. We got him a rawhide 9, whatever. We got him some bones. Because guys, look at the other bones. You guys see? Look at this. It was a whole ass bone and now it's this. We got him a pet lick mat. So basically like this. We're gonna put some peanut butter so like at night or something, whenever we need him to go into his cage, he has a hard time getting the stuff out and then he gets entertained. Also, treats because we're still training this booger. No. And then we also got these dog treats. No, dog sticks. These are more like a night toy with it, and then this is actual food, like it has peanut butter and chicken. He's over here sniffing everything. And big exciting news. Big exciting news. We're gonna go shower him today because sheesh, he's a stinky boy. You're a stinky boy. tell the viewers. Tell the viewers hi. Hi, say hi. So yeah, that's what we have going on today. Everything for socks because sheesh. Oh, and then we got him dog food. But yeah, right now he's going all crazy, guys. Look. He likes everything. He likes everything. What do you want? What do you want, Shuckers? What do you want? Let's give him some treats. First trick that he's learned. Look at this. Okay. Sit. Good boy. I don't think he likes him.
Now he has to like them.
I guess so. He's eating it. Then. Anyways, another one. Okay, sit. Sit. Good boy. Lay. Good boy. All right, we have another one. A paw watch. Give this one. Up. Shake. Oh, shake. 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 Good boy. We're working on it. We're working on it. Show them you're smart, okay? And lay. And no. Roll over. Roll over. Lay. Roll over. Oh, okay.
Close enough. Close enough.
We did a 180.
Close enough.
Stay. He also knows this guy. Stay. 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 Come here. Good boy, honey. Good boy. Okay, he's smart. Okay.
Taste it. See if it's good.
Oh, it smells like peanut butter shake. I don't know if I showed you guys this last time, but we have a little basket for him with all his toys. So that we have his trash bags when we go out to the park. We have his harnesses. We have his new dog treats. His new sticks. And then these toy ones. And we also have these treats that we were teaching him. But that's all for this basket. And then all his toys are right here.
We need to go take Socks to the vet because he needs to get his second shot. So we're gonna get him on his harness. We're gonna get out of here.
Stay. 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 Okay, come here. Good boy.
His tanga. One paw. Good boy. Stay. How's this building?
Exactly. You know how to put tangas on, babe. Let me see. 1, 2. And he's done. You're a little fat. You're a little fat.
I can lock it.
Okay. Okay, guys. We're on our way to the vet, just like Alex said. Socks can't be in the car without being on your lap. And then he starts crying. So right now, he's enjoying his moment. Also, this is the first time with the window down. So let's see how that goes. Are you gonna keep that down all the way?
Yeah.
Not him being an Instagram dad. Ah, kisses. How'd you do? Did it hurt? Give me an update. Give me an update.
We got his shots. Now it's time to shower him because
He smells like caca.
scratch, 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 scratch.
He has a little grin.
Alright guys, so we're happy to announce that we have a fat boy. He went from 11.5 pounds to 14.5 pounds.
In what? Less than a month.
In 2 weeks, basically.
Basically. Wow, he's a chunker.
You're a chunky boy.
Ah, why you crying? Why you crying?
No chille, no chille. He does not look happy. Look how shiny he is.
He's so shiny. And so pink. Look, he's rosy.
He got that head and shoulders.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 socks. 10 out of 10. Alright, guys. What do you call them, babe?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Jack and a crack. Hell yeah. He cried for a little bit, guys, but then he was okay.
It was cheaper.
Alright.
Alright, come on, boy.
No, we just dried him.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, I don't know if you guys remember when we bought the advent calendar at Target. So today is the first day of December. Wake up, wake up. You wanna open it?
It's not how the song goes.
It's gonna be good. It's so we can get copyrighted.
It's the Christmas remix.
Alright. Corgi chewing on a treat. Number 1. But he's not a corgi.
But it's only for 12 days or what?
Yeah, you're supposed to start 12 days prior, but it doesn't matter. They're gonna be actual 25 days.
Let's see, what is he getting?
What is he getting? What is he getting? Is he a good boy or is he a bad boy?
Very bad boy.
Wow, what is this?
Bacon? Is that bacon?
Oh, easy, open.
Try it.
Oh, good boy. We're gonna share, okay?
Smells good. Try it.
Delicious. He likes it.
All right.
Approved. That's day 1, guys. That's day 1. Now there's a couple more days.
All right, bet. Vámonos.